imagine a team member who only needs to reset passwords or create new user accounts. It's a simple daily task. But in a complex environment, giving someone the power to turn a single gear can destabilize the entire system. In SAP Cloud Identity Services or IAS, the fastest way to grant that access is often assigning the user the role of full administrator. This creates a significant security gap. With full administrative rights, a user could easily alter sensitive authentication configurations, disrupt single sign-on, or even delete critical data with a single misclick. So this tutorial demonstrates how to resolve that risk. We will walk through the steps to restrict the IAS admin account so the user can only see and interact with the user management tile. Removing unnecessary permissions is a core requirement of zero trust security. It ensures the system remains stable while protecting users from performing actions outside their specific responsibilities. To begin, you will need full administrator access to the IAS account, your specific tenant URL, and the email address of the user you are restricting. To understand why this process often fails, look at this hierarchy. Notice how a global admin role at the top level is designed to bypass any local policy restrictions below it. Because global rights override local ones. Any policy we apply will be ignored unless the global status is removed. Deleting the global node forces the system to route all permissions through our restricted local policies. First, navigate to main administrators menu in your console to verify the target user's current status. If the user appears on the list, delete them from the administrator role. If you need assistance with this step, you can refer the SAP documentations. Effective access control begins with the zero privileges. You cannot enforce the local restrictions while the user account still holds the global override permissions. Once the global rights are removed, log into IAS Administrator console using your specific tenant URL. Look at the left-hand navigation menu and click on Applications and Resources. Next, select the Applications options from the resulting list. Scroll through your configuration applications to find the entry labeled Administration Console and select it. Within these settings, find and click into Authorization Policies. In this architecture, SAP treats the Administration Console as a standard application. This allows you to apply granular security controls to the managed tools themselves. The interface now shows all available authorization policies for your console. Find and select the policy specifically named Manage Users within the policy configuration. Click on the Assignment tab at the top of the screen. Click the Add button to define which user will receive these restricted permissions. Search for the targeted username or email, select their profile, and save configuration. Assigning the user to the Manage Users policy provides the exact access required for the user management without exposing broader tenant configuration. When the target user next log into the Identity Service console, the newly configured permissions architecture is strictly enforced. The left dashboard shows the standard cluttered administrator view. On the right, we can see the restricted view, providing only the user management tile. Within the specific workspace, the user can still create, read, update, and delete user profiles as needed. However, the user is now confined to this tile. All other system settings, identify providers, and global configuration are blocked for this account. To learn more about the applying similar restrictions to other administrative roles, consult the SAP documentation. So it's always preferred to go with the SAP documentation. And we are starting a new batch in the coming sessions. If you need any information, please do reach out to me.